may kapangyarihan yung mga senator judge na mag-move sa presiding officer to cite a witness or any counsel or any person within the vicinity, kung nag-iingay, no, na i-cite sila in contempt. As I also said before, marami namang klase ng pagkastigo o yung pag-penalize ng mga contemptuous actions, no? Isa dyan is yung i-reprimand sila, a-admonish sila, papaalalahanan sila. Pangalawa, yung papaalisin sila or papabayarin sila ng penalty o kaya naman ipapakulong sila. So yun yung gamot of the power of the court not to penalize any contemptuous act, but it has to be moved by a certain party or a certain senator judge bago mag-acto yung impeachment court as a whole. Kasi nga, sabi ko, passive ang korte sa mga ganyang bagay-bagay.